A child disappeared into the shadows of fear, taken from the world now 20 plus years. A voice of Tibet silenced behind walls, while the world stays quiet and nobody calls. 6 years old when they stole his name. History remembers who carried the blame. No freedom, no justice, no sign, no trace, just silence written across his face. How long can truth stay hidden in chains? How long will innocence carry this pain? The mountains still cry, the prayers still rise, but freedom is fading before eyes. Free the Panchen Lama, hear the people cry. CCP, release him, stop living with the lie. The whole world watching, but nobody reacts. A stolen child of Tibet, bring the Panchen Lama back. Monks keep praying through the cold night air. Candles still burning cause the people still care. Tibet remembers every missing day. No propaganda can wash that away. To the leaders sitting high above, power means nothing without human love. You can hide a man, but not the truth, not the spirit, not the voice of youth. How long can truth stay hidden in change? How long will innocence carry this pain? The mountains still cry, the prayers still rise, but freedom is fading before our eyes. Free the Panchen Lama, let the whole world know. CCP, release him, let his freedom grow. No more silence, no more fear. The voice of Tibet will always be here. United Nations, where is your stand? Human rights fading across the land. World leaders speak, but the silence loud. Justice buried beneath the crowd. Free the Panchen Lama, hear the people cry. CCP, release him, stop living with the lie. The whole world watching, but nobody reacts. A stolen child of Tibet, bring the Panchen Lama back. One child missing, millions still remember. Truth cannot stay in prison forever.